Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this night black 2016 Mercedes-Benz B class. This B class was very well maintained, 0 accidents reported. It also comes with a 4MATIC all-wheel drive package with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. You have a huge trunk for lots of space to put storage, and if you want to hide everything, you have a privacy for the back trunk. This B class comes fully equipped with heated leather seats, power driver seat with memory. It also comes with power folding mirrors, a power panoramic sunroof. It has a leather steering wheel with auto headlights, navigation, Bluetooth, reverse camera, start stop, and dual zone automatic climate control. In the back of this B class, you have a 12-volt plug-in to plug in phones if you would like, cup holders and an armrest, and a little table that can fold out if you need to work on any projects. If you want to come check this out or even come book a test drive, give us a call at Maclin Ford. Thank you very much and have a good day.